Yes, I have a problem. Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Yeah, it is gonna happen again. Okay, I'm sorry, I just can't help myself. I just really wanna bleach my hair because look at these roots. They're insane. I've been trying to not bleach my hair. The goal was to not bleach it for half a year. It has been 2 months since I bleached my hair for the last time, and I just need to bleach it again. I just need to do it. So today I'm going to bleach my hair again because these roots are driving me nuts. So you know the drill. Let's just jump right into it. First off, I just want to take a little moment to talk about my hair for a second. I don't know if you can see, but I have a lot of broken hairs. Oh my god, wait, there are so many broken hairs. I can literally turn them into bangs. Wait. Oh my god. What? Like, how did this happen? And I know what you're thinking. Lindy, of course you have broken hairs. You bleach your hair every single week. Well, I haven't bleached my hair in 2 months. And yeah, that is a very long time for me. Please don't judge me. I've been trying to take such good care of my hair. I haven't bleached it in a very long time. I almost don't use any heat tools on my hair anymore. I deep condition it almost every single week. I wash my hair like a normal person. I eat very healthy food. And still, I wake up every morning with a piece of my hair missing from my head. So you know what? I am done with taking care of my hair because it's not gonna listen to me anyways. So I'm just gonna whip out the bleach and put it all over my hair. And then complain a little bit more about how much breakage I have on my head. Oh, this is really not okay. Oopsie! Look how much rootage I got going on. This is so much. This is probably even like too much to be bleaching in one go. But I'm just gonna do it anyways. Because that's my vibe. Okay, let me just read the instructions because I've been bleaching my hair for 10 years now. And for some reason, I still don't know how much I'm supposed to use. Maybe that's why my hair is breaking off. Who knows? Whee! Whee! Yummy! The smell of bleach. It smells like home. Also, I just want to say that I am very sorry for all the noise in the background. But there are like construction workers in our street. And they've been working there every single day for weeks now. So it bothers me more than you probably. But still, I'm very sorry. I think the most important part of today is that I'm going to try and not touch like the green parts of my broken hairs, because then I feel like it's just gonna vaporize if I do that. So I have to be very careful today. I mean, I actually have to be very careful every time I bleach my hair, but today we have to be extra careful. Whee! Literally covering my eyes with my hair right now. That's probably a smart idea. Also, I always do it in sections like this because I once went to a hairdresser and I saw her do it like this. So it always makes me feel very professional if I do it like this. Even though I already dropped bleach on my hair. I have no idea what I'm going to do with my hair after I'm done bleaching it. Because I'm not gonna dye green again because I want to have a different color. But I'm still waiting for my hair dye to arrive. So I don't know if I should just walk around with bleached roots and the rest of my hair green. Or if I should try to take the green out. These small hairs. I need to be so careful. Oh, poor hair. I don't know why, but I always get so excited when I'm bleaching my hair. It just does something to me. I don't know if it's like the fumes reaching my brain or something, but it just makes me happy. Bleach makes me happy. I don't need a lot in my life to be happy. I just need some peroxide and bleaching powder. I've been really into TikTok lately because it's just an amazing app, okay? I thought it was like the worst app ever, but that was before I downloaded it. It's actually amazing. So I am active on TikTok right now, but I'm also, while I'm bleaching my hair, I'm also trying to make TikToks of it, but it's taking a little bit longer than expected. So this side is already super blonde and this hasn't even been bleached yet. So I feel like I should work a little bit faster and maybe not make TikToks, but it's just very, very addictive. Stupid influencers. God damn it. Let me just check my hair real quick. Whee! Oh my god, look at this. Okay, so I'm done with the front section of my hair. And I know that I did a pretty bad job because I can see brown patches everywhere. Great! But now I'm just quickly going to do the back of my head and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay, stay tuned. Please don't go anywhere, okay? I need you. Please don't leave me. It itches so much. Oh my god. Booyah! I got bleach in my hair, y'all. I got bleach in my hair. On this side is literally already light enough, but the back of my head I just applied. So yeah, that is great. Love it. I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for hopefully not too long. I'm just gonna check the back and see like how long it still needs to go, but I think maybe like, I don't know, like 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, maybe an hour. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a plastic bag on my head. And then I'll be back once it's all rinsed out. And then we can see what mess I created this time. And then we can see if I need to do something with my hair. Because I'm gonna have white roots and green ends. I mean, maybe it's actually gonna look cute. But maybe it's gonna look horrible. Probably the last thing that I said. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! My roots are gone! Finally! Oh! Who is she? Bitches! Who is she? It is me! But yeah, I am pretty white again. Look at my hair, it's so white. Fun fact, I told you guys that I was taking a lot of time bleaching my hair, right? And that this part was like developing way faster than the rest of my hair. Well, turns out that this part is basically white and everything else is still yellow. I mean, here it's not that obvious, you can see a little bit. It's more yellow, but especially in the back. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like, it's a lot darker than the hair over here. But that's fine. I'm gonna be dyeing over it anyway, so I don't really care. Also, yeah, my hair's still wet right now. I just came out of the shower, but I'm not gonna wait till my hair is dry to start filming because my hair looks way healthier when it's wet. So, look how healthy my hair is. I mean, you can literally tell by this piece over here, because this is almost dry. And you can just see how crusty it is. I'm gonna be honest, the transition from like white, yellow to the green I have in my hair is actually pretty nice. I mean, it doesn't look all that weird, right? So I'm not sure, I don't know if I should take the green out or not. You can tell me, should I just keep it like this? Or should I try to take the green out? And I'm not going to do it in a harmful way. I'm going to take it out by using the color wheel. So it's not gonna damage my hair. So should I take it out or not? I don't know. I kind of like it. But also just want to be blonde for a week. Not longer than a week, because I go insane if I'm gonna be blonde for longer than a week. I mean, something is not right in here. I mean, we already know that by now, don't we? But yeah, this was today's video. I really hope you liked today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please check out my TikTok, because I kind of ruined my hair to film TikToks for you guys. So I would really appreciate it if you would follow me on there and watch the videos that I just made. But yeah, I need to go now because my hair is slowly drying and it's starting to be very obvious how damaged my hair actually is. So, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye! Ow! Ow, I hit my nose and my piercing isn't healed yet.